Your ceiling fan has a switch on the motor housing. It's a small slider or button, often on the side. Most homeowners have never touched it. If your fan is spinning counterclockwise right now, it is in summer mode. In your winter living room, it is costing you 23% of your heating bill. Warm air rises. The air your HVAC heats rises to the ceiling and stays there. And the air at floor level, where you live, stays cooler. Your thermostat, which is mounted at wall height, reads the air temperature at that height. The ceiling can be 5 to 10 degrees warmer than the floor. Your HVAC system is reheating air that is already in the room. A ceiling fan running clockwise at low speed in winter pushes the warm air layer down the walls. This circulates it back to floor level without creating a draft. The thermostat satisfies at the set point with 23% fewer HVAC cycles. Smart thermostat, $287 installed. At cost, programmable thermostat unit $47, labor $985, travel $45. Total cost $187. What they charge? $287. Margin 53%. A smart thermostat reduces heating cost by optimizing the schedule.
Average documented savings, 8 to 12% of annual heating cost. Payback, 8 to 24 months.
Ceiling fan destratification reduces heating cost by circulating already heated air.
Average documented savings, 15 to 23%.
Payback, 11 seconds.
Here is the thermodynamics, and why clockwise at low speed is the specification. In a heated room with no air movement, the temperature gradient is approximately 0.5 to 1 degree per foot.
In a 10-foot ceiling room, the ceiling is 5 to 10 degrees warmer than the floor.
The HVAC thermostat reads temperature at installation height. The average air temperature in the room is 2 to 5 degrees higher than the thermostat reading.
The blades push air upward through the center of the fan disc. The outward flowing air descends along the wall surfaces. The effect is destratification. The gradient collapses. Low speed provides destratification without draft. Fan diameter matters. A 52-inch fan in a 200 square foot room is ideal.
Stop. The 1961 documentation.
In 1961, ASHRAE published its Handbook of Fundamentals.
It included data on ceiling fan-assisted destratification in heated spaces. The documented finding: reduced thermostat cycle frequency by 15 to 23%. The recommendation: all ceiling fans should be operated in reverse at low speed.
Every HVAC engineer is trained on ASHRAE standards.
The salesperson has access to the same ASHRAE data.
The fan reverse switch generates no service call, no product sale, no installation fee. The smart thermostat generates all four.
Ceiling fan destratification is most effective in rooms with ceilings 9 feet or higher.
It's effective where you can feel the difference in temperature between your face and your feet. It is less effective in rooms with 8-foot or lower ceilings or radiant floor heating. The direction switch is present on virtually all ceiling fans manufactured since 1975. Some newer fans reverse direction via the remote control or wall switch. In summer, counterclockwise. In winter, clockwise at low speed only. Step 1. Turn the fan off. The motor must be fully stopped. Step 2. Locate the direction switch on the motor housing. Step 3. Slide the switch to the winter position. Step 4. Turn the fan on at the lowest speed setting. Step 5. Confirm no draft. If you feel a draft, reduce to a lower speed setting. That's it. 11 seconds to flip the switch. The heating bill drops within the first billing cycle. Reverse in spring when temperatures rise above 60 degrees. U.S. residential HVAC service generates over $14 billion annually. ASHRAE documented this in 1961. The smart thermostat saves 8 to 12%. The switch saves 15 to 23%. Tonight, look up at your ceiling fan. Find the switch on the motor housing. Flip it. Set it to low speed. Tell me in the comments, ceiling height, and what your heating bill looks like. Every ceiling fan reversed tonight is 23% of a bill that doesn't have to be paid. Next video. Your dishwasher is not cleaning dishes on the top rack. The repair technician says the wash arm bearing is failing. $220 to replace. The wash arm is fine. The problem is mineral scale blocking the spray holes.
A condition that dissolves completely in a $1.97 citric acid cycle.
This was in dishwasher manufacturer maintenance documentation in 1964.